Everything we do requires time. We have time to play, work, and learn. Today, we're going to learn how to tell and write time. Before anything else, I'm Teacher Florence and I will be grateful to be your guide in this lesson. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to tell and write time by hour, half hour, and quarter hour using analog clock. I know that you are eager to learn. So, what are you waiting for? Bring out your pencil and paper and let's enjoy the activities. Pause the video if time allotted is not enough. Before we start our new lesson, let's try this activity. Look at the clock carefully. Then, listen as I read to you the choices. Choose the letter of the correct answer.
Number 1. A. 3 o'clock. B. 12:03. C. 3:12. Number 2. What is the time? A. 5 o'clock. B. 5:12. C. 12:05. Number 3. What is the time? A. 1 o'clock. B. 6 o'clock. C. 12 o'clock. Number 4. What is the time? A. 1:03. B. 1:15. C. 3:05. Number 5. What is the time? A. 3 o'clock. B. 3:06. C. 3:30.
Let's answer to see how many correct points did you get. Put a check mark if you got the correct answer and X mark if you got the wrong answer.
Here are the correct answers. Number 1. A. Number 2. A. Number 3. C. Number 4. B. And number 5. C.
Did you get 4 correct answers? Great! Don't worry if you got 3 and below. We still have many more exciting activities to do. Give yourself a clap for a job well done. What do we celebrate during January 1? Yes, New Year's Day. We celebrate New Year's Day on January 1st. We usually see fireworks at 12 o'clock a.m.
Let's check the clock and see how it shows 12 o'clock. The shorthand points at 12 and the long hand points at 12. It tells that the time is 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock can be written as 12 o'clock. An analog clock is a tool for indicating the time of day. The face of the clock has two hands and numbers. The short hand indicating the hour and the long hand indicating the minute. Some clocks have three hands, the third hand indicating the second. Let's focus on the hour hand and the minute hand. All the hands continuously rotate around the clock in a clockwise direction. Every 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour, which is one complete rotation. There are 12 hours in the clock. The time between 12 midnight to 12 noon is called AM, and the time between 12 noon to 12 midnight is called PM. Look at the examples. The time shown is read as 6 o'clock AM or 6 o'clock PM. Next, the time shown is read as 12 o'clock AM or 12 o'clock PM. Next, the time shown is read as 3:30 AM or 3:30 PM. And the last, the time shown is read as 1:15 AM or 1:15 PM. When the minute hand is pointing at the numbers, it is read as 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 o'clock. Always remember that when the minute hand is pointing at 12, it is read as o'clock. When the hour hand is pointing at the numbers, it is read as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Look at the given examples. The hour hand is pointing at 10. So we say or write 10. Don't forget to put the colon. And the minute hand is pointing at 12. So we say o'clock, or we write 2 zeros. The time is 10 o'clock. The hour hand is pointing at 4. So we write or we say 4. And the minute hand is pointing at 6. So we write or say 30. The time is 4:30.
Come on, dear. Answer the questions with me.
Number 1. What time is it? Correct! The time is 5 o'clock. Number 2. What time is it? Very good! The time is 3:30. Number 3. What time is it? Great! The time is 5:15. Number 4. What time is it? Excellent! The time is 7:45.
Let's proceed to guided assessment 1. Tell the time shown in each clock.
Number 1. What is the time? Correct! The time is 7:30. Number 2. What is the time? You're right! The time is 2 o'clock. Number 3. What is the time? Good job! The time is 12:45. Number 4. What is the time? Excellent! The time is 6:15.
Moving forward, let's do more challenging activities. For guided activity 2, let's write the time shown in each clock.
Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. And number 4. Here are the correct answers. Do you have the same answer as this? Good job! Number 2. Is your answer 7:15? Great! Number 3. Is your answer 10 o'clock? Very good! And number 4. Do you have the same answer as this? Excellent!
Moving on, read the time shown in each clock. Then, write it in your answer sheet.
Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. And number 4. Here are the correct answers. Number 1, 8:15. Number 2, 10 o'clock. Number 3, 10:30. And number 4, 4:45.
Please read the following sentences with me and always remember them.
We tell and write the time by hour, half hour, and quarter hour. It takes 60 minutes to make 1 hour. If the long hand is pointing at 12, we say o'clock. If the long hand is pointing at 6, it shows 30 minutes or half hour. If the long hand is pointing at 3, it shows 15 minutes or quarter hour. If the long hand is pointing at 9, it shows 45 minutes. We use colon to separate the hour and minute.
Here are the activities done by Amyat at home. Read the time shown in the clock, then write it on the blank to complete the sentences.
Angyap woke up at blank. She went to fetch water in Tuchoy at blank and played with her friends until noontime. After lunch, she rested and started answering her module in mathematics at blank and finished at blank. Here are the correct answers. Amyap woke up at 6:15. She went to fetch water in Tuchoy at 7:30 and played with her friends until noontime. After lunch, she rested and started answering her module in mathematics at 12:45 and finished at 3 o'clock.
For our last activity, listen as I read to you the questions. Then, choose the letter of the correct answer.
Number 1. Komicho ate his lunch at... What time did he eat his lunch? A. 1 o'clock. B. 6 o'clock. C. 12 o'clock. Number 2. 7:30 is written as A, B, or C. Number 3. Which of the following shows 10:30? A, B, or C? Number 4. Fasuyang woke up at 7:30. Which shows the correct time? A, B, or C? Here are the correct answers. Number 1, C. Number 2, A. Number 3, B. And number 4, B.
Let's have more fun in telling and writing time. Draw the hands of the clock to show the time.
Number 1, 8:45. Number 2, 2 o'clock. And number 3, 4:30.
You have done an excellent job. Congratulations! In this time of pandemic, obedience to our parents is very important. So, you have to obey your parents at all times. Until next time, bye!